If you're looking to create your very first website inside Go High Level, the process is much easier than you might think. You don't need any coding or advanced technical skills because the platform is designed to be beginner friendly, giving you all the tools you need to set up a professional site in just a few steps. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to build and manage a website in Go High Level for 2025, making sure you have a clear foundation to get your business online quickly and effectively. The first thing you'll want to do is head into your Go High Level dashboard and navigate to the website section. Once you're there, click on New Website to begin the setup. A pop-up will appear asking you to choose a name for your website. This may seem like a small detail, but it's important, especially if you plan on creating multiple sites later on, because the name is what helps you track and manage them inside the system. After entering your chosen name, simply click Create Website, and just like that, your new site is added to your account. Now that the framework is created, it's time to add your first page. You'll see an option labeled Add New Page. Click that, and it will take you directly into the drag and drop website builder. This builder is one of Go High Level's strongest features because it allows you to design a website visually without needing to write a single line of code. At the top of the builder, you'll find a menu that lets you insert sections, rows, columns, and elements onto your page. For example, you might start with a section, divide it into columns, and then add elements like text headlines, images, or buttons. Once the elements are on the page, you can highlight any one of them and see a menu appear on the left side of your screen. This menu gives you full customization control. You can adjust the font, change spacing, align text, add hyperlinks, and much more. It's important to remember that the builder doesn't automatically save your work as you go, so always click the Save button before leaving the page. If you want to see what your website looks like in real time, just click the Preview button in the top right corner, and it will open the page in your browser for you to test the layout and design. Once you've created a few pages, you can go back to the Pages tab for your website, where you'll get a clear overview of all the pages associated with that site. From there, you can easily manage and edit any page at any time. Go High Level also gives you a simple navigation menu in the top left corner, where you can move between your pages, your site's statistics, and its settings. The settings area is especially important because this is where you configure your domain and path. Setting this up correctly ensures that people can actually visit your site using your domain name. For example, if your domain is www.mydemoaccount.com, you might create a specific path like /about or /services so that visitors can go directly to those pages. Go High Level provides detailed domain setup tutorials. So if you've never connected a domain before, you'll find step-by-step help to make sure everything works seamlessly. Once your first site is created and your domain is connected, the next step is learning how to manage all your websites in one place. For that, you'll go back to your dashboard and navigate to the Funnels and Websites section. This is essentially your control center for websites. Here you'll see an at-a-glance overview of every site you've built. If you have several different projects or businesses, this is where you can quickly locate them. There's also a built-in search bar that allows you to type in the name of a site and pull it up instantly, which is incredibly useful if your account starts to fill up with multiple projects. On the right side of each website row, you'll notice two icons, one for cloning and one for editing. The clone option is handy if you want to duplicate an existing site and make small changes without starting from scratch, while the edit option takes you back into the builder to refine or update your design. Both options are available anytime, giving you full flexibility to adjust your websites as your business grows. By following these steps, you can create a clean, professional, and fully functional website inside Go High Level without needing external tools or advanced design skills. From setting up your very first page, customizing layouts, adding content, previewing your changes, linking a domain, and then managing everything from one dashboard, the system is designed to make the process smooth and efficient. And because the builder is drag and drop, you can experiment with different layouts and styles until you find something that perfectly matches your brand. So whether you're building your very first website or looking to manage multiple sites under one roof, Go High Level gives you all the tools you need in one platform. Thanks for watching.